Welcome back to my channel, Humble Money. If you've ever felt like your money disappears the moment you get paid, you're not alone. In today's video, we will cover simple budgeting tips that will help you save more money with less stress, even if you're just starting out. Make sure to stick around until the end because I'll share a bonus trick that can help you stay consistent with your budget. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. In fact, the best budgets are easy to follow and fit your lifestyle. The truth is, when you take control of your money, you take control of your stress. So let's break down a beginner-friendly plan that you can start using today. First up is the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, things like rent, groceries, and bills. 30% goes to wants, dining out, entertainment, shopping. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. This rule is simple, flexible, and a great starting point if you're new to budgeting. You don't have to track every single dollar at first. Just aim for these percentages and adjust as needed. Next, you need to track your spending. You can't improve what you don't measure. Here are some easy ways to do it. Use free apps like Mint, YNAB, or even just Google Sheets. Or if you prefer, go old school and write everything down in a notebook. Most people are shocked when they see how much they spend on little things, like coffee, snacks, or subscriptions they forgot about. Tracking helps you spot those money leaks, so you can redirect that cash toward your goals. Another stress-free strategy is to automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account every payday, even if it's just $20 or $50. When you automate, you remove the temptation to spend that money. Over time, these small amounts add up to a big safety net. Here's a beginner-friendly trick. Cut the easy expenses first. Don't start by eliminating things you love. That usually backfires. Instead, cancel unused subscriptions. Switch to a cheaper phone plan. Cook at home a few nights instead of eating out. These small changes are painless but can save you hundreds of dollars a month. And here's the bonus tip I promised. Give your money a job. Before you spend, decide where every dollar goes, whether it's bills, savings, or fun money. This way you're in control instead of wondering where your paycheck disappeared. Budgeting doesn't have to be stressful. With just a few small changes, you can save more, build security, and enjoy life without financial anxiety. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Humble Money, and share this video with a friend who wants to start saving too. And in the comments, tell me your favorite money-saving trick. I'd love to hear it.